everyone. I would like to welcome you to this once in a lifetime job opportunity presentation. First, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Teacher A, proud JMG trained ESL teacher now at Native Camp. I am your speaker for this video, and here I will guide you on how to start your life changing career at the comforts of your home. Are you looking for a permanent work from home job? Whether part-time pa yan or full-time, or kailangan nyo ba ng extra income? O di kaya naman, madalas ba kayong mabiktima ng mga misleading job hiring posts na nagkalat sa social media? Well, worry no more because I'm thrilled to be here today to talk about something that has truly changed my life, and that is ESL teaching and the amazing benefits of working from home. Over the next 30 minutes, we'll dive into how you can start your journey in ESL teaching and how our training program here at JMG can help you land your first online teaching job even if you have no prior experience. Okay, so to start, first let's talk about ESL teaching. ESL stands for English as a Second Language. It involves teaching English to non-native speakers. There is a huge demand for English teachers globally, and platforms like Native Camp can give you the opportunity to reach students from all around the world who wants to improve their English skills. Working from home is a dream for many. Alam kong gusto nyo rin yan, kaya nga nanonood ka ngayon sa video na ito, katulad ko, di ba? Ako din. Yan din ang ginusto ko noon at ngayon, I'm proud to say na ito na ang ginagawa ko ngayon. With this setup, you can create a space that's comfortable for you. Work from home saves you time on commuting, reduce expenses for food and transportation, and avoid the hassle of preparing for the office early in the morning. Napaka-convenient lalo na kung tag-ulan at hassle ang pagko-commute. Then of course, work and life balance. With an online job, balancing work with personal life becomes so much more easier. You can schedule your family time, personal hobbies, or even a second job if you need it. Having a work-life balance, mas ma-enjoy mo ang bawat aspeto ng buhay mo. Imagine, a daily routine where you wake up in the morning and in a few minutes you are ready for work. This job's flexibility is ideal if you have other commitments, lalo na kung ikaw ay nag-aalaga ng pamilya o nag-aaral pa. Flexibility here is not just a benefit. It is a lifestyle that allows you to grow personally and professionally. Okay, this time, let me introduce to you what is JMG Work From Home Facility and Virtual Assistant Services. JMG was established in 2020. BIR and DTI registered po kami and we have successfully trained over 14,000 trainees lang naman. This achievement highlights our dedication in helping individuals seeking from work-from-home job. Our mission is to provide opportunities for individuals unfamiliar with ESL teaching and virtual assistance field. We ensure a 95% passing rate for aspiring ESL teachers during their demo lessons because we are here to guide you throughout your journey. Now, let's discuss the basic qualifications, requirements, and why you should choose Native Camp. Okay, disclaimer lang po. We are not affiliated with Native Camp. We only provide support to aspiring ESL teachers to help them succeed. Here at JMG, we use Native Camp as our platform because of these following reasons. First, flexible schedule. Native Camp allows you to teach when it's convenient for you. It operates 24/7 and there's no required minimum number of hours. Pwede mong kontrolin kung kailan ka magtatrabaho at kung kailan ang off mo. Second, no experience needed. Native Camp welcomes teachers of all backgrounds. You don't need a bachelor's degree or prior teaching experience. Their materials are scripted and our training program here at JMG will help you feel confident and prepared. Mahalaga dito sa amin ay yung dedicated ka mag-training at yung willingness to learn. Here at Native Camp, we are not limited to teaching kids only. Almost all age groups between 4 to 60 years old nandito. At ang mga students ay from Japan, Taiwan, Korea. Mga students po dito ay adults, young professionals, seniors, at lahat po sila dito ay friendly at eager matuto. Masaya ang magturo at the same time, very rewarding ang pagtuturo sa kanila on our part being as an ESL teacher. Now, here are the qualifications to get started. First, kailangan you can speak basic English. Hindi ka fluent? It's okay. Lessons here are scripted. Next, at least 18 years old above. And the next, with or without experience. Wala kang bachelor's degree? It's okay. High school graduates po, ina-accept namin. And of course, ang sabi ko nga kanina, willing to learn and undergo training. Now, for the requirements, kailangan po natin ay personal computer or laptop, stable internet connection, wired or Wi-Fi, recommended browser para sa platform ng Native Camp, clear and functional camera for video classes, noise-canceling headphones to ensure clear communication with your students. See? Super basic, right? From qualifications to the basic requirements needed, napakasimple lang. Sa application process naman in Native Camp, you will go through these following steps. First, exam. 40 items in 20 minutes. Then next, tech check. The admin will verify your equipment and your environment. And the next is demo lesson. At syempre, dahil nasa JMG kayo, training first before demo. And once your training is completed, you're ready for your demo lesson. May hanggang 3 chances kayo para pumasa. Itong structured process na ito ay siguradong makakatulong sa inyo upang maipasa ang requirements ng Native Camp. Syempre, wag po kayo mag-alala dahil ang bawat steps ay ipapaliwanag namin sa inyo ng malinaw. Now, let's get into the most important aspect kung saan kayo interesado lahat, ang income potential. At Native Camp, the pay structure is simple. You earn 57.20 per 25 minutes when you take sudden or instant classes. These classes are not pre-booked, so students can join your classroom as soon as you're available. Then there's book classes, which is 80 pesos for 25 minutes. Pag book class students, they can book advance and pay a bit more. And then, nagbibigay din ng Native Camp ng incentives tulad ng 2,200 para sa mga bagong teachers na nakakaabot ng 2,500 minutes sa loob ng 2 linggo after activating your account. Then, meron din pong every cut-off, may 550 pesos incentives din after you reach again your 2,500 minutes. Meron din another 550 if na-reach mo na ang 20 book classes without cancellation on your end. At marami pang ibang incentives at promotions na ina-announce ng Native Camp sa platform nila. Kaya dapat po consistent ang lessons para ma-maximize ang earnings. Kahit ikaw ay part-time lang, maaari kang kumita ng sapat para makatulong sa iyong mga gastusin sa bahay. Planning ahead can help you optimize your schedule. Imagine earning consistently while working at your own pace. It's a win-win for both personal growth and financial stability. So now, let's break down potential earnings based on different teaching schedules. Ito yung best possible scenarios. So, pag full-time ka, which is 8 hours per day, sa sudden classes, more or less, you can have 19 sudden classes per day, which totals to 1,086 pesos a day ang earning mo. When you times it, 15 days para sa isang cut-off, total is 16,290. Pag book class naman po, ang full-time na 8 hours per day, more or less 16 book classes per day po yan, ang total niyan is 1,280 a day na earnings mo. At pag gagawin nating 15 days cut-off, total is 19,200. That is full-time So pagka part-time naman, which is mga 6 hours per day lang. So, pag sudden classes ng 6 hours per day, most likely 12 sudden classes yan, magtototal ng 686 per day ang earnings mo. And then you times it sa 15 days, ang total is 10,296. And then pag book classes naman sa part-time, 6 hours a day again, 12 book classes per day is 1,056. And then per cut-off na 15 days is 15,840 pesos. Wow! 'Di ba? Pero syempre ang tanong nyo, is it really doable? Okay, imagine if mag-work ka ng 12 hours a day. Here, your earnings will depend kung gaano ka kasipag sa trabaho. Like this one, itong nakikita nyo sa screen ninyo. Ganyan siya kasipag kaya mas nahigitan pa niya yung computations na binigay ko sa inyo kanina. Bagay na bagay ito sa mga workaholics at mga laging nasa bahay lang kasi dito, more lessons means more earnings tayo dito. Of course, your classes needs to have quality lessons para ma-maintain ng 5 stars at para consistent ang pasok ng mga students sa inyo. Pero dahil lessons are scripted, kayang-kayang i-achieve para kikita ng malaki habang nasa bahay ka lang. Our salary cut-off is from the 1st to 15th of the month, payday on the 25th. For the 16th to the 30th, payday falls on the 10th of the following month. Kung tumapad sa holiday, maaga nyo makukuha ang inyong sahod. For salary deposits, you can use banks like BPI, BDO, at PNB. Make sure your bank account details are correct to avoid delays. Yes, I understand. Starting as an ESL teacher can be very intimidating. But that's where our training program comes in. Our program offers personalized guidance to make sure you feel prepared and confident to increase your chances of passing. Let me give you some benefits in joining our training program. Okay, there's 1 step-by-step demo guide. The actual demo lesson is crucial to your application process. Our training program provides step-by-step support to help you pass your actual demo in Native Camp. Hindi ka namin susukuan hanggat hindi ka pumapasa. Makakaasa kang 24/7 support and guidance ang manggagaling from us. Provided din namin sa inyo lahat ng kailangan nyo, therefore, you will have a higher chance of passing sa iyong actual demo kasi well-equipped ka na. 1 chat away lang sa GCs kung may concerns and questions at once mabasa ng mga admins, sasagutin agad kayo. Meron din tayong live and recorded training sessions. Practice makes perfect, sabi nga, diba? So whether it's live or recorded training, both are equally useful and provides you freedom in training at your own pace. Every day, there are live sessions that you can join to get real-time feedback from our trainers. Hindi ka namin isasalang sa actual demo na Native Camp hanggat hindi ka ready. Sa training pa lang, makikita mo na kung ano ang kailangan mong pagbutihin bago pa man magsimula ang iyong teaching journey. And the next, profile optimization. Before you even start teaching, we will help you build your teacher's profile. We will guide you on building a stand-up profile to get positive reviews and attracting more bookings. Pag meron ka magandang profile, mas nakaka-attract ng mga students na mag-take ng lessons sa'yo. Then there's be one of us after 1 year. After your contract with us, kapag tinapos mo yung makakasama ka na sa team namin. And that's good news kasi magkakaroon ka ng another extra income. Bibigyan ka namin ng task and of course, mayroon yung fixed na sweldo. So meaning, bukod dun sa pagiging ESL teacher nyo sa Native Camp, magkakaroon ka pa ng other tasks na another source of income para sa'yo. At ito pa, free Forex training. Besides ESL teaching, we also offer Forex training. On your 9th month being with us, you get free Forex training and learn how to be a Forex trader. Ang Forex training ay isang skill na magagamit ninyo kahit sa iba pang negosyo o investments. Matutulungan kayo nito na mas maintindihan nyo ang flow ng financial markets. And of course, magkaroon kayo ng financial freedom. Okay, there are 2 ways to start your ESL teaching career at Native Camp. First, you can directly apply at Native Camp website and do everything on your own. Or be an empty cup and start with us and get all the available perks just for you. Here at our training program, you are not just a number. Upon joining our training program, you also join a community of teachers who support each other, share resources, and celebrate each other's success. Pag teacher ka na, continuous training pa rin tayo dito. Pati mga teaching materials, ituturo namin para alam ninyo paano i-deliver ang pagtuturo sa mga students nyo. We will also teach you strategies for keeping students engaged, managing your time, and adapting lessons to different student levels. Kaya having us as a support group can help you become effective teachers kahit na bago ka pa lang. Hindi ka nag-iisa sa iyong teaching journey because you have us every step of the way. These are only the few benefits of joining our training program. So if this sounds like the opportunity you've been waiting for, huwag niyo nang palapasin to. So, ang tanong, paano ba ang training sa JMG? Isa sa maganda dito sa training program namin ay ang flexibility nito. Train at your own pace. Perfect ito para sa may mga full-time job na balak gawing part-time ang ESL teaching. We also have recorded trainings which is available anytime. Kaya pwede kayang mag-train on your own free time. This is ideal para sa mga busy individuals na may ibang commitments katulad ng trabaho o pamilya. Then, we also have live trainings that is available Monday to Friday. Schedules are posted sa training GCs namin kaya ikaw ang pipili ng oras na babagay sa schedule mo. Live trainings are very interactive at may real-time guidance mula sa ating mga experienced trainers. Gaano naman katagal ang training? Okay, if you are a fast learner, pwedeng matapos ang training in 5 days to 1 week. For self-paced learners, no pressure. Take your time since our training is valid until 6 months. No equipment? Okay, no problem. Habang wala pa kayong equipment na laptop or PC, pwede kang gumamit ng phone muna habang nasa training stage kayo. This way, you will have enough knowledge and confidence habang hindi pa kumpleto ang mga equipments mo. So now, the question is, am I getting paid for training or am I going to pay for training? To answer the first question, no. We are not going to pay you for training kasi this training is support for you to land a job. Pero sa second question na, am I going to pay for the training? Ang sagot, training po is free. But meron kaming training deposit na 399 pesos which is refundable. Again, refundable yan. Kaya masasabi kong free talaga. And yes, to answer your questions, since I am a JMG trained ESL teacher, na-refund ko na po ang training deposit ko. Pero, ano nga ba ang training deposit? Hindi ba pwedeng mag-train na lang ng walang ilalabas pang deposit? Training deposit is a fee that we require our trainees to pay before they begin our training program. This deposit acts as a commitment to the trainee, showing that they are serious about completing the training. We want to ensure that trainees won't leave shortly after receiving costly training. Costly? Kasi po, hindi po madaling mag-train. Yung pagod na i-train kayo at spoon-fed kayo every step of the way and then biglang tatamarin o aayaw na o manggu-ghosting na lang. Unfair naman po sa part ng mga trainers na naglaan ng oras at pagod sa inyo. Your 399 training deposit is valid for up to 6 months. This means that you must complete the entire process, including the actual demo in Native Camp, within 6 months from start of the training. Even if you do not pass the actual demo at Native Camp within 3 tries, your deposit is still refundable. Please note that if you do not complete the training and application process, your deposit becomes non-refundable. Additionally, the training deposit is non-transferable and cannot be assigned to another individual. So ngayon, saan ba isesend ang training deposit if ever you decide na mag-proceed? Okay, we have these 2 mode of payments, GCash and Union Bank, na makikita nyo po ang buong details once na you are added sa aming group chat. These are the only mode of payments we accept for training deposit. If may referrer kayo na nag-ask sa inyo to send your training deposit sa other mode of payment other than these 2 na nakikita nyo sa inyong video, do not do it. Hindi po yan legit. Again, only these 2 mode of payments ang accepted sa pag-send ng training deposits nyo. After passing the demo lesson and upon agreeing to get assistance from us, you understand that first, you must stay with us for 1 year, and second, you will pay 999 admin fee every payday. Kasama na po dito sa fee na to ang coaching, account management, at continuous training. A contract will be prepared for you, and you will read the terms carefully before signing our contract to fully understand our system. We are here to assist you at every stage. Marami na tayong mga positive feedbacks mula sa ating mga members. Ang mga testimonials na ito ang patunay na ang ating programa ay effective at reliable. Pwede nyo i-pause ang video para mabasa isa-isa kasi medyo mahaba sila at matatagalan kung babasahin ko pa isa-isa. But just to share, this is from my own experience. Nung ako ay nag-start, I really slacked off. Tumambay lang ako sa GC talaga at hindi ako nagsimula agad mag-train. Pero nung inumpisahan kong seryosohin, it only took me 2 weeks. Pumasa na kagad ako for actual demo. And nung nag-actual demo na ako with Native Camp, I passed on my first try. Hindi ko na nagamit pa yung 2 retakes ko. Sobrang laki ng utang na loob ko sa JMG training program na ito dahil kung hindi ko to nakita at kung hindi ako nakapag-training dito, hindi ako magiging si Teacher A. So kung ikaw ay yung tipo ng taong madaling sumuko at panghinaan ng loob, huwag ka nang mag-try. Kasi this job opportunity is for those people who are decided to change their lives. So now, Kung ready ka nang simula ng iyong new career sa ESL teaching, message nyo lang po kung sino ang nagbigay sa inyo ng video na ito. Tell that person na you want to proceed so that they can help you with the process and give you more details sa program namin at para maiyad na rin kayo sa aming GC. Remember, messenger only lang po tayo, walang WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber. At para makasigurado ka sa kinakausap mo, pwede mo din i-message ang aming Facebook page para ma-check kung legit ang kinakausap nyo. Teaching online has transformed my life and I'm excited for the opportunities it can open up for you too. Thank you so much for listening and watching this video. And of course, good luck sa inyong lahat na ngayon pa lang ay ready nang mag-start ng training at magkaroon ng trabaho. I hope to see you all teaching with us here at JMG soon. Bye!